morning, YouTube. Bobby Land coming at you again. I hope all of you had a wonderful and great weekend, and happy Mother's Day to the mothers out there. Guys, I wanted to give you a quick update and let you know that the name of the channel is going to be changing here coming up soon. I will be giving more updates in the videos as I lead up to the change. The new name of the channel will be Witness Riders. It's going to be more geared towards the reason why I even created the channel, and maybe a little heads up here and there of what we're going to be doing, like, I don't know, right now. And with that said, maybe a little bit of this. Anyway, guys, a few other things there, here and there. But the channel is going to be Witness Riders, and it's going to be geared more towards those of us with exotic supercars going out and actually sharing the experience of a supercar with people that might not be so privileged, and let them have the opportunity. And in the meantime, also be able to open up and share our story with them about how we came to be where we are. So anyway, guys, I look forward to this journey with you, and those of you that want to join us on this journey, I look forward to seeing you with us. Until next time.